Oh my goodness. Did you find your resting place? You might have the cutest face of all time. Of all time. And that ain't no joke. Whoa, whoa, whoa! We got a puppy off the blanket. And we got some noisemakers over here. Hello, everybody. Good morning. Well, I didn't think we were gonna get much action today, guys, but it looks like we might be moving around. We might be adventuring today. We're gonna find out. Whoa. That was quite the barks. Good job. Well, guys, our Labradors here are now 3 weeks old. We've got 4 yellows and 4 black labs. Quite the litter. We're gonna have so much fun today. They are just the cutest things in the world. I cannot get enough of them, so we're gonna do the same for you guys. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and just enjoy. What is your deal? What is your deals? You're okay? Wow, we are walking around. Well, stumbling, that is. You're stumbling around, huh? You have the cutest face ever. My goodness. Come on. You can go off the blanket. It's okay. Maybe later. Well, well, well. You guys are getting all the new smells, huh? That's the rug. It's probably got stinky feet on there. Are you guys gonna get going here, huh? You? Specifically, you? You gonna get going? Oh, I'll take that as a no. And what about you? Are you gonna get going? You are just absolutely adorables. Oh my goodness. Hi. It's so nice to meet you. With your eyes open? Hi. Well, we've got somebody making some big moves. Making some big moves. Good job. Good job. Now we just gotta get the rest of them. There we go. Howdy. Where you going? Where you going? You haven't gone too far yet. Not my legs, silly. Those are all smelly and sweaty. Come here. Okay. I guess you're on your own path. Okay. It's not sleepy times. It's not sleepy times. It's adventure times. Come on. All you guys do is sleep. Don't you have enough sleep already? Huh? Hi. No milk, silly. No milks. Sorry. No milks, no milks. Come here. Hi. Look at that beautiful face. What are you doing? Hmm? Are you adventuring off on a path of discovery? Huh? There's lots of good stuff out there for you. Oh my gosh, you are the sweetest. I wish I could take you home right now. My goodness. Alright. I think I could stand here and pet you all day. Huh? You like that? You like those head rubs? Hey you! Look at you! You're doing such a good job. Come on. This way. This way, this way, this way. Come on. Come on. Adventure is fun. I'll be there to help you every step of the way. There you go. There you go. Keep it coming. Good job. Come on. Keep it coming. Keep it coming. We go in every direction possible. Oh my goodness. Did you find your resting place? You might have the cutest face of all time. Of all time. And that ain't no joke. Wow, I'm very surprised. Think you could get the others to come do it? Come on, we still got some room to go. Come on. You can do it. Come on. This way. We're almost to the edge of the rug. You've almost done it. Come on. Up, 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 up. Come on. Come on, you can do it. One step in front of the other. There you go. There you go. Oh, we're going backwards. Okay. Well, I'll give you some credit. You did a very good job. You did a very good job. This is so stinking cute. Oh my goodness. Are you trying to get your beauty sleep? Are you trying to get your beauty sleep? Oh my goodness. It's hard to sleep when everybody's moving around. That is so cute. Hey, hey, hey. What is your deals, huh? What is your deals? You can't be upset. All you get to do is sleep all day and eat. It's like the best life ever. Oh my goodness gracious. All right, everybody. Well, I'd say our pups did quite a pretty good job. Most of them are pretty lazy, but we got off the blanket a little bit. We did some adventuring. Okay, you can have all the camera time. But we're gonna go ahead and wrap this video up, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a big thumbs up. Check out Fat Puppy Store. I'll have a link in the description. But for now, our black and yellow labs are gonna be saying paws out.